Hey, what is up guys? Bogus Danger here, back with another video. On today's episode, I'm going to talk about Windows 10. So what happened was Microsoft decided to pull the plug on us on October 14th. And the thing is, there's still a lot of people using Windows 10 like me. So about 40-something% are still using Windows 10. And there's people out there like me as well that don't like Windows 11. I personally don't like it. I just don't like the way it looks and feels, and there's a bunch of stuff in there that I could talk about all day. So if you are on the same page and you still want to be on Windows 10, I will show you how to get support for Windows 10 till 2032. So let's get into it. You want to go to this download link right here. I will put this in the description as well. You want to download this ISO file. Here you go. Download the file. Put it to your desktop. Give it some time to download. Alright guys, as that's downloading, what you want to do is you want to look at your Windows version you got in here. You press system. You want to scroll down and you see Windows 10 Pro. Don't make this mistake I did. What I did was I tried to install it without doing the regedit. And every time the setup came up, it would come up as LTSC, not IoT. It would ask me for a product key every time. To avoid that mistake, I'm going to show you what to do. What you need to do is you want to type in regedit and you want to run it as administrator. Press yes. Now, you want to go to local machine right here. Then you go to software. You scroll down. Actually, you go to Microsoft. I was about to press Windows.
Bruh.
You scroll down and you want to look for Windows NT. It's gonna take a minute. There we go. Windows NT. Then you press current version and you have this pop up. What you want to look for is edition ID. As you can see, it says professional. You want to right click it and you want to modify it to capital I, lowercase o, capital T. The way it's spelled like that. Then you press OK and you can get out of this now. Once that's done downloading, you want to get your file. You got it right here. And what you do is you open with File Explorer or Windows Explorer. I just call it File Explorer. You want to press open and you got the setup right there. You want to run it as administrator as well. Press yes and it'll take you to the setup, as you can see. Now you go to change this. I would do not right now. I would worry about the updates later. Fuck that shit. Then you want to do next. It will check your PC. Then you got this right here. Click accept, like you're signing your life away. The computer is going to go through and it's going to make sure it's ready to install. This might actually take a while. On one of my computers this took like 10-15 minutes for whatever reason. And here we go. It takes you to this screen right here. It's got to say Windows 10 IoT Enterprise. So what you do is keep all your files, then you press next, and it's going to take a minute again, if not more. It likes to spin a lot, like this. Alright, we've made it to this screen now. We can't shift tab or anything, as you can see. It's installing the Windows 10 Enterprise IoT. Let it do its thing. Let it spin for a while. Go do something. Go have a cigar. Go fishing or something. This might take a while. Or this might be real fast. Have this install and I'll get back to you when it's done. Alright, Windows 10 Enterprise installed. Here we are after waiting so long because this computer just drags ass. You go right click and you do system. Let's see if it installed. It says Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC. Don't worry that it says that. Some of the times it will say IoT on there, but I'll show you how to get that going. So obviously Windows 10 is still not activated, so change product key, it's not working. Let me show you how to fix that, but don't tell nobody, okay? You go to your browser, you go to this link, I'll put it in the description, of course, and you want to copy this right here. Now you go down here and you want to do PowerShell and run with administrator. Press yes. And now whatever you do, do not do this, okay? Just pretend like it never happened. And you get this right here. And don't press 1 either. Just don't do it. Okay? You got Windows 10 IoT right now. That's all you really care about. It's gonna do its thing. It's gonna do its process. This is just for demonstration purposes only. That's all I'm showing you guys, just so you can learn something here. Alright, it did its thing now. Press any key now. Here we go. And now, to verify that, we'll do the same thing again. Right click the Windows button, go to System, and scroll down, and you got the IoT version. So there you have it, guys. You can use Windows 10 till 2032 and get security updates. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more content, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.